What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Miss Levon, and I'm back with another video I put you on. What's up, y'all? I'm really just on here really just to tell y'all a little bit about myself and just why I decided to do YouTube. Like, the things that we have available today is just insane. So, number one, my name is Denise. I am a small content creator, up and coming. I have a strong background in radio, television, and film. So I did a lot of production. I did a lot of behind the scenes stuff. But now my goal is to be in front of the camera. So now with so many things that we have to do now, like with social media, recording, it just gives you so much access to being yourself. And at the end of the day, acting is all about being yourself as well. So it's just in a different perspective, but still being yourself and bringing yourself into that character. So now I'm putting it in my hands to now start recording myself and doing something with it. Like, there's so many people out here making so much money off of YouTube, yo. Like, and it be us small content creators. I'm not talking about these big content creators. Of course, they big, they got there, they there. I'm talking about us small content creators. Like, they're really getting it, okay? I mean, even the one boy, like, he literally just makes YouTube videos informing people of things. So, like, definitely you want to do informational type of videos. Those are ones that get people, because people come to YouTube most of the time to find out how do you do something, or you know just different things. Like, you can go to YouTube literally to find out how to do anything. So that's amazing. But literally making videos, and he said the key to it is just using people's titles. Like, go to somebody's account. If you're you scrolling all day, you be on YouTube and you see somebody with mad views on a video, you need to do what they're doing. And like my boy said, we all want to do our own thing, bring our own flavor to things. But at the end of the day, like, what's working for them is going to work for you, because YouTube is out here really changing people's lives, and it be regular people like you and I. So I decided to do YouTube now, because again, I was doing a lot of social media anyway. I was brought up on MySpace, okay? So I used to do MySpace, I do it all. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. You get me, Twitter, everything. You just on these platforms. And I've been recording videos for so long. I just be doing so many stories. I love filming. I love, like, talking about, like, things that I'm doing when it's like, fun things, anything. Like, it's traveling, anything. I'm always recording and filming. I'm like, you know what? I need to start doing something with this. Like, people are getting paid to do this, okay? People are getting paid to sit here in front of this camera and talk to you and let you know about them. And informational things, like the reason why I got on YouTube, and you should too. I'm telling you, it'd be the small content creators, and we all be out here trying to get it and get it and get it. We just got to go get it, y'all. And number one thing is consistency. So I've been watching a lot of videos. I've been, watching this one guy on here, and, he's just been really trying to give you the jewels about how to make it on YouTube. And he straight up said, you got to take other people's titles. If that title got so many views and this so many hours, like millions of views or thousands of views, like, that's the title that you want. And it's not about copying this person. We all trying to get it, y'all. Everybody out here trying to win. So that's one of the things. And even for me, that helped me a little bit too, because it's like, I be in that mind frame too. Like, you don't want to do what everybody else doing. Da, da, da. Oh, what they're doing is working. What they're doing is working. So that's what we need to do. So like I said, I started off just filming myself down to Snapchat. I used to just be in the car filming myself. And it's like, why not go and do something with it and get paid for it? Because YouTube is paying people, y'all. They are paying people. And so I really, and I got the idea from the other small content creators like myself, is I want to be able to record a video once every single day for the next 30 days and see just what happened. Because I used to record on Instagram all day, or just anything, Snapchat. So to the day, I still record on Instagram stories. And what really got me on it was that I started working out. So back in like 2020, when we was all up in the house for the pandemic, I started to work out, and I like would post every day. I was so consistent. I lost over 50 pounds. I was about 200 pounds. Probably when I started, I was probably at like a good 190, and I got all the way down to like 140 something. So like I literally worked my behind off because I was consistent. I showed up every day to work out, and I was tired. I didn't feel like doing it, but I did it. I showed up every day. I worked out, and I recorded, and I kept recording every single day. And I just seen how many people were just so in tuned, and how many people were just so influenced by it, and it really just motivated them. And I had so many people reaching out to me to work out themselves, you know what I'm saying? I even started doing like a little workout plan myself, putting my own workout plan together, and I sent that to some people, and they started doing it and losing weight. So I'm telling you, it's just the consistency, like, is everything. And I did that, and everybody, like, I lost all that weight from being so consistent. And honestly, the following and letting people know about it, it held me accountable to it. So I would literally like feel as though like, I gotta show up. People are banking on me. Like, they are literally waiting for me to post my video that I worked out today, because it's gonna motivate them. I done had so many people in my DMs tell me like, oh my God, you jumping rope really made me want to get up and work out today. So now in my life, I'm just like, all right, you do all this content. I put my all into it, my videos and everything. And that's the thing. You don't even got to do that, y'all. You don't even got to do that. You don't even got to do all these fancy videos, and that literally you could do a sit down video and talk to these people, because these people want to hear you talk. They want to hear what you got to say. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I decided to make a video today, letting y'all know why I'm doing YouTube and who I am, because all y'all see is my videos. Y'all don't know who I am. Like I said, my name is Denise. I use Miss Lavon. That is my social media name on all platforms. And I have a strong background in production, TV, and film. And again, I started off in the backgrounds of production, and I just decided that I wanted to be in front. I always wanted to be an actress. I always wanted to be in front of the camera. So now in my life, that is what I started pursuing. And now I'm here making YouTube content, and I love it. Like, and that's another thing, like, I really like what really opened me up to it. And I'm just a big fan of Kai Sanat. He really opened my eyes to like doing this video stuff. So now I'm here doing it. I'm so excited I'm finally doing it. I've been talking about doing YouTube forever now, just never really did it. I would do like videos of my workout and stuff like that, but now I'm just like really locked in. And that's the thing, you locked in when you want to do this every day, and when you can show up every day, and it's not hard. If this is what you like to do and you filming yourself all the time anyway, why not come and do it on YouTube, where you can get paid for doing it? Because we not getting paid for doing it, just posting on our story all day. Like, that ain't gonna do nothing for us. The YouTube is where it's at. You really need to lock in. That's one thing I'm really trying to do these days, is just lock in and be consistent. Because consistency is the key. You heard? It is no way around it. You're not gonna be able to upload a video today and then come back months later, and you got to be consistent, because even your following, like, they want to see more from you. Like, there's people following you and watching you and want to see your content. So you got to stay up on it, and that's where it comes to consistency. And so I just wanted to really rock out, let y'all know what I'm about to start doing. I'm really about to get into this YouTube, this grind. I'm about to very much go in with this recording. Make sure I really lock in, even if it's just me talking to y'all, updating you about my day today. Listen, I work a 9 to 5, okay? And I have to figure out ways to make it all work. I'm working out, I'm working a 9 to 5, and then I'm also still trying to make sure I create content. And I can do it. If I can do it, y'all can do it. I have a 9 to 5. I work overtime and everything, y'all. But I'm here, and I'm showing up. And I'm taking that little bit of time just to, and that's the thing, the video could be about 20 minutes long. Like if you lock in and do a 20-minute video every single day, just talking, updating people, informing, because me, that's my lane. I'm be doing, you know, some entertaining things, but I'm also going to be locking in and doing informational things and talking to y'all and letting y'all know about things. So that's where I'm at, y'all. I really hope y'all rock with me. I shout out to all the small content creators. We all out here trying to get it. Let's get it, okay? Because listen, ain't nobody else going to do it for us. We got to show up ourselves. And if you want it bad enough, you going to lock in. And when you want it bad enough, that's all you could think about. Because let me tell you something. One thing about me is I wake up in the morning and that's the first thing I'm thinking about is like, dang, what can I create today? You know what I'm saying? And when can I fit it into my schedule? Because I do get off a little later sometimes, like, and, you know, I don't be feeling like doing stuff, but it's like, you just got to push yourself. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, if I could do it, y'all could do it. I work a 9 to 5. I'm trying to get it like y'all trying to get it. Let's do it, y'all. See if y'all can post a video, you know, one video every day that's at least 20 minutes. Shoot, if you got it in you, you got the time, you can post more than that. Because listen, I see content creators, they post videos, like a couple videos in a day. Okay, and they getting thousands of views. So watch the people, yo. Watch the people that are really out here getting them views. And it's about the views. It's really not about the subscribers no more. It's about the views. So really watch these people and lock in and see what they're doing. And like my boy has said, you do it too. And I'm telling you, I'm taking that and I'm running with it. No more, oh, I gotta do this different. I'm trying to be different. Da, 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 da. Sometimes different don't work. Sometimes too much don't work, because you don't need a video with a whole bunch of great lighting, and or you could be sitting in your car recording yourself. Like literally, you know what I'm saying? That's lighting, the natural lighting. Use your phone, get a selfie stick. And that's another thing. If you love what you do, you're going to invest in what you do. Get a stand, get a light, you know what I mean? But again, you don't have to get that right away. Again, you could literally start off with holding your phone, or even like a little phone stand or something. Just, you know, do a video and upload a video every day, y'all, and see what it do for y'all. And if it do something for y'all, please come back and put in the comments, you know, what it did for y'all and how it changed y'all lives. Because I'm telling y'all, I'm going to keep y'all updated on my journey. I hope y'all rock out with me. You know, I'm going to let y'all know, you know, day by day about my journey. So lock in with me. I hope y'all like and subscribe to my channel. And this will not be the last of me.